Alright, for this video we're doing one of the arm braces. I'm not too sure which one it is actually, but it's the one that doesn't have the little rocket extension on the side here. So we're seeing the little pockets here for the Velcro, so I'll be doing that first. I wonder why they only did 2 spots here and nothing on this side. I might end up doing like a strip or something like up there, depending on how good this will hold. Okay, so now I think I will try that method of putting the Velcro on, taking the sticky pad off, and then putting this piece back on. That way I'll hopefully be able to find the right spot. We'll see how that works. Okay. So put that piece there, sticky side up, take this off of that one. Okay, now we'll take this, put it on. Sure the pieces are good, okay. Alright, and there we have it. Kind of loose up here. I think I might put one more piece up there just to stabilize that a little bit. Especially so that way the glue will keep in place as it's being cured together. So let's say right about here should do. Okay, then we'll take one of these. Same way, sticky side up. Put this down. Velcro on top again. There we go. I like that better. Yeah, so I went ahead and just did that on top. And now for gluing. Same as usual. Okay, all along the return seam. Okay, and I'll take my shims with my big heavy-duty clamps. Hopefully they'll fit. Oh, there we are. Line that right there. Do one more in this section, but I don't think I'll be needing a shim for that. Actually, I will. Alright, and that'll be it for this video.